with Chica. This one's gonna be super short, but this time I have a guest chef. Say hello to Foxy. Hi everybody. We're gonna do something super short and super simple. Right, Mom? Yeah. What we did today is we caught one of those lunches you see advertised on TV, and we're just gonna do mix-ins. When you get those lunches, you know, a sundae with them, and what you can do is do your own mix-ins at home. Now, I just chopped up some peanuts, and the nice thing about getting that sundae and doing your own mix-ins at home is you already got the sundae in your price of the meal. And with that company, if you would order the mix-ins, which you could, it'll be an additional charge. And if you do your own mix-ins at home, you can go to your own dietary needs, and you can do the fun thing. You can do here I'm doing something I don't even think they have on the menu, and I can do whatever size I want. This is Three Musketeers and chopped peanuts, and I have cherry ice cream here. So what I'm going to do is pop this into the freezer for a few minutes to let it get a little bit firmer again, and then we will have cherry and peanut, and we will have Three Musketeers. Mix-ins, you can put anything you want, go crazy. I decided to put just 2 mini bars. I just chunked them up to the size I want. I put the cherry ice cream in there. You know, I got her cherry sundae that you get with the meal, and I threw some peanuts in there. So we hope you like it, and we'll see you later. And this has been Cooking with Chica. Yes, Cooking with Chica, and my guest star Foxy. Yes, it was nice being on your show. Thank you.